This is a presentation on technology and its relationship to urban development by Daniel Fitzgerald and Cole Morgan. Starting off in linking urban development to technology, we're seeing the ability to build more advanced housing than ever before. We're seeing the creation of smart homes, which give users more control over their entire household and also offers improved security measures for the house. Along with this, there is the creation of more and affordable and efficient housing with the ability to 3D print houses. The picture here on the left is a 650 square foot home that was 3D printed in 24 hours for $10,000, and it is estimated to cost around $3.5 to $4,000 in the near future. This home was created at South by Southwest and is the first home of its kind to comply with local building standards. Along with this, it reduced labor cost, construction time, and material waste while also being more durable and energy efficient. On the other end of the spectrum, we can see this 3D printing creating more expensive lifestyles and housing choices. The picture on the right is a more luxurious 3D printed smart house that was created in Germany, which is a fully functioning smart house that is 1,700 square feet and costs nearly $500,000.
In creating a global society, technological forthcomings are able to bring a city closer. They have also created an unprecedented connection between cities far apart, such as which we have never seen before. Cohesiveness between cities also makes us more connected than ever before. Cultures are brought together from across the globe, and national economies benefit from trade with other countries. One of the three views in our discussion is functionalism. Functionalism relates macro-level structures of society. It focuses on how media and technology contribute to the smooth functioning of society and the complex system that it has with many different parts. Cities have many positive functions for society, but also have dysfunctions. Some positives include the ability to spark creativity, culture intermingling, and diversity. Some negatives include high crime and social class disparity. This may create an alienating sense for some individuals. And some examples of functionalism include that even though the media is selling us goods and entertaining us, it also serves to socialize us, helping us pass along norms. It also creates touchstones in times of national significance. For example, how most adults vividly remember tuning into 9/11 and the space shuttle broadcasts on TV.
Our second perspective is conflict theory. Conflict theory is centered around the idea that cities have a problem of haves and have-nots. The rich live lavishly, and their pockets are fed by others in the city. Business owners, executives, and officials all reap massive success in the city. The elite develop the city in a way which benefits them and their lifestyles. The poor, meanwhile, have difficulty getting by and struggle to improve their quality of life. Unfortunately, this creates a dilemma where the haves face no issue paying for advanced technologies, while the have-nots are left behind. This is true for areas other than cities, but most prevalent in urban areas due to the wealth divide and increased cost of living. Displacement of the poor, so urban development can continue with the construction of buildings they cannot take value. Examples of this includes corporate buildings, shopping malls, and new luxury shopping apartments, and this is commonly known as gentrification. The third perspective is symbolic interaction. Symbolic interaction looks at the micro level and how individual interpretations exist. These meanings are created through social interactions between people and groups of people, and it deals with how social inequalities may arise and affect urban experiences faced by different people. These social inequalities are based on class, race or ethnicity, gender, age, and sexual orientation. Examples of these inequalities include getting the latest Apple products when they release the next year being seen as normal, and additionally, the ability to participate in purchasing certain tech advances, especially new urban buildings. Next is ethical implications, which we've split into financial and environmental. These implications ask the question, isn't urbanizing society good? Financially, cities have naturally been the epicenter of culture and commerce since ancient times. An increasing price to live in a city across the globe creates inequality where only select people can afford to live in such a place. Environmentally, cities are massive polluters. Transportation and industry pollutants lessen air quality. And additionally, trash and waste become an issue in large cities. Where do we dispose of all of it? The city of Singapore has worked to counter pollution with the World's Greenest City Initiative. And this poses a question if we will see other cities in the future take a similar green approach and taking the environment into account when they are partaking in the act of urbanization.
Thank you all so much for watching our presentation. And here is our works cited for all of the articles we used in our research.